Hey everybody, Ray Obrien here. Welcome to It's All At The Cocktail. So tonight I want to tell you about an ultra premium vodka, a resoundingly pure spirit, founded in 2007 by Dan Aykroyd and John Alexander. This is Crystal Head Vodka. Now it is a little bit more on the more expensive side, but it is extremely pure. But you're pretty much paying for the bottle. This glass is said to be made in Europe from crystals, and you know the bottle makes a pretty cool thing in your shelf afterwards. I've seen people make it into candlestick holders, lamps, all sorts of things. But I've even seen people said they've seen them for sale on eBay for 30 quid. However much. Alexa, how much is 30 quid in US dollars?
30 pounds is about 38 US dollars.
38 US dollars, okay. It's distilled with local Canadian corn and distilled 4 times in the Newfoundland and Labrador region. And you know what? I was actually gifted 2 of these. One by Stephen Mary, one by Boris Narata. But I got one that's in the freezer. I know I know alcohol will not freeze. People tell me, I have read that you're not supposed to put your vodkas in the freezer, but my Russian friends assure me that's the way you want to do it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get that bottle and shot glass that I have in the freezer, because it'll be pretty smooth. We'll pour ourselves a little shot glass of that vodka. We'll taste it. I'll tell you what I think, and I'm going to tell you some more things about the Crystal Head Vodka. So stick with me, my friends. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, everybody. I've grabbed the bottle from my freezer. Check it out. You can see the frost in this thing. That's pretty cool. Like I said, they give you 2 of these the gift set that I bought, or the gift set that I was gifted. They gave 2 little skull mugs and 2 of the, let's try it out and see what we think. Vodka always seems to taste a lot more smoother when it's in the fridge or in the freezer. So let's give that a try and see what we think. I mean, most vodka is pretty odorless, so I mean, it doesn't make any sense to try to get the smell. But let's see what it tastes like. Wow. Ooh, that's very smooth. Nice and cold, but it's a slight vanilla-like taste, but very, I mean, do it again. Don't slurp it. Like I said, mild vanilla taste, and then the heat kind of comes through. It's a smooth heat, though. I think you should check out Dan Aykroyd and John Alexander's Crystal Head Vodka, and tell me what you think, man. Send me back a comment. I mean, I would really like for you to subscribe to me, hit the bell, and then you're entitled to all the previous videos I've done, all the ones coming. But I really would like you to send me back a comment. Do you like Crystal Head Vodka? Do you like vodka? You just remember, at the end of the day, you've had a long, hard day. You want to come home to a nice, smooth vodka. This could be your thing, because at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch up with you just in time for the next round. See you later.